Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to do a quick review of Builderall. We will go through some pros and cons, I'll tell you more about it, and of course we will go through pricing plans to see if it's worth it for you. So let's start with what is Builderall. Builderall is an excellent website builder and a digital marketing platform. It's easy to use and with over 30 useful features. It gives you all the tools you need to put the foundations in place and make your business a success. And don't forget, it serves a web host too. Since Builderall is an all-in-one platform, you get a lot for your money. And if you're a new entrepreneur, it could help you learn a lot about running a digital business thanks to its wide range of marketing features. If you want to add features to your site, chances are they'll already be available in Builderall, so you don't have to shell out for add-ons or extras, like you do in some other platforms that we are used to, basically. Whether you want to focus on niche sales funnels, video-based tutorials like this one, email marketing campaigns, or improving SEO, Builderall can help you in all of these areas and more. However, while Builderall impresses with the number of features, a case can be made for quality over quantity. Builderall is aimed at entrepreneurs and people who are new to the world of online business. And while a great array of options can be useful, it may also be a bit overwhelming, with users confused as to where to start, what to add, and where to actually find the features they need in a busy interface. And while the majority of the features work well, some feel as if they could do with a bit more focus. For instance, the heatmap feature seems to deliver inconsistent results, and finding the right funnel can sometimes be difficult depending on which template you are using. That said, these are minor grips. All in all, Builderall offers great value for money, a wide range of services, and is very suited for people starting out in the world of online business. When we want to check its website, we can see that it's really transparent. You can really find everything in a very simple UI, but the problem is when you start scrolling. There's tons of overwhelming data, and but I want to say that it's really understandable because it's all in one platform. So you're meant to find everything in there, and if it's everything, well, there's be a lot of it. Where we want to go straight away after all the proclaimed text of how great they are, and they are, we want to go and check this part. We want to see with what they can help you. As you can see, we are starting with Cheetah website builder, mobile perfection, unlimited member areas, A/B split testing, which is great. For example, super checkout, bump sales, upsells. There's tons of stuff that can help you basically get through your business, and you will find it there. And still, if it's not enough, you can still click there, and here you go, 200 more facts about them. You can send them an email, and you see with all the stuff they can help you with. For example, webinars, email marketing, e-learning. But let's go back to why we are here. Let's log in into our account, and they are providing some nice sales at the moment for like $1, I believe. We see that when we log in the Builderall, we are in our account and we want to start a project if you're new in the business. So we can create a website, we can create a physical store, create a webinar, create checkout sales page, create webinar with members area. Also, you are provided with tools. For example, WooCommerce, Cheetah website builder, help desk, but in this one, you have to upgrade it. And by upgrading, we are moving actually to the pricing plans. So we have 4 options in here. Builderall premium plan 5.0, which is $69.90 per month. We are talking in euros, and this premium plan gives you professional publishing and full access to the world's most modern and fastest website builder with all the benefits only a state-of-the-art tool can provide, which is 15 domains, unlimited marketing, really nice stuff, I have to say. That WP premium plan, which is professional publishing and full access to the world's most modern, fastest website builder with all the benefits. And basically, you heard it before, included for WordPress and WooCommerce. So if you're in for integrations, this is very nice stuff that you can basically go with. Then Funnel Club plan. The Funnel Club plan is basically the same stuff you heard before about website builders, but also access to extensive library of hundreds of funnels, which is $179 but first month. And also back office tool package, 15 domains, and unlimited email marketing. Then WB Funnel Club, which provides the same stuff that Funnel Club 5.0, but also with funnels and basic cloud access for WordPress and WooCommerce. And I really actually encourage you to go with it, because WooCommerce and WordPress, in my opinion, you are going to need in your life of online marketing. Then we have all the apps that we can add into, for example, for builders and Cheetah website builder. There's a funnel, chat, webinar builder, e-learning, app builder. There is tons of options for you to actually go with Builderall. I'm going to create tons of videos about Builderall, how we can go step by step and creating the website of your dreams. So stay tuned. Then we have email engagement, mailing boss, custom email, message chatbot, all the stuff that you need or you saw before, MailChimp, and all the other text bots. Then design and video, and also others. Trainings. We can start quick start training, full stack marketing certificates, affiliates, and also which is basically what you see on your home screen. Then notices you can get help and also add-ons you can add in, but yet again you have to subscribe and sacrifice some of your earnings. Then you can basically go with the account options. You can upgrade it, as you can see, to you can upgrade it first to see all the features. I plan to upgrade it and do more videos about it. So as I said, stay tuned, because this is a very, very, very nice way how to start your business. They are providing tons and tons of options for you. So even if you won't basically be satisfied with Cheetah website builder, which I strongly doubt, you can go and, for example, page loading accelerator, you can go with email scarcity timers, and I really doubt that you won't find what you're looking for. YouTube live streaming tool, which can be also very nice. When you click on each of every of these images, there's a video of how you can basically, what you can expect from Builderall. It's up to you if you want to try it. In my opinion, it's worth a try. If when they are providing some €1 30-day trial, then you can cancel anytime. So go check that out. Let me know how it went. Leave a like, subscribe, or leave a comment underneath the video with the questions. We will try to answer them. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Have a great day.